with Iris and Anthony. We're in from the garden, and we're going to use some of our ingredients that we have been storing up from the garden to make some delicious cashew coffee cream. Okay, first thing I want you to know is you need to soak your raw cashews overnight. Just get you a container, soak them in some water, and let them stay on the countertop. And then the next day they'll be ready to go. So in the blender, I've already put this in the blender. I've already put the cashews. I washed them real good, and I put them in here. And just for this, a little special, I put a little bit of chocolate mint that I had grown in the garden. And I put some sea salt in here. I put a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, now I'm gonna add some dried dates. I've already pitted them. There's 6 of them in here. So we're gonna throw those in there. I like a little kick. So we're gonna put a little bit of ginger. And I'm just gonna use an 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger. And this is my filtered water. I have 3 cups. I'm gonna start and see how we doing. I'm gonna start with 2 cups, and then I'll add the other cup in there if we need to thin it out, which we probably will. Now this is some homemade vanilla. This is rum vanilla. You can make vanilla with any kind of liquor you have. So I have to share that with you all in another video of how we do our different types of vanilla. I consider myself a vanilla sommelier. And so we're gonna put in a teaspoon and a half of some of this vanilla that we got from Turks and Caicos on one of our vacations. That's a whole teaspoon. And that's just a little bit just to go with it. Alrighty. And that's everything we need in here. So I got everything in the blender, and we're gonna put it on a creamy mode. Just a nice low and slow. Give it a little check, and stay right there. Don't move down. Nice and creamy. I'm gonna add the rest of the water. Tastes like ice cream, like a chocolate ice cream. All right. Delicious. Now, you can always blend it a little bit more, make it more creamy if you would like, or however you would like it. But, my friend, this is a nice, lovely treat for your coffee in the morning. I hope you enjoy it. I love these jars. These are nice jars, which you got a flip top on them. And it makes great for putting your coffee cream, homemade coffee cream, in the refrigerator. Voila,